Hello everyone, I am Rohit from my ADS department. In this module, we explore the basics of data science and how it shapes the future of data-derived decision making. Data science helps organization make smarter and faster decisions using data. So, what is data science? Data science is a combination of maths, coding, and statistics. It allows to analyze the data and gains insights to support better decision in business, healthcare, and many other fields. Key components. The main parts of key data science including data collection and cleaning analysis and visualize and machine learning. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in tuning raw data into meaningful insights. Real world applications. Data science is everywhere. It is used to predict disease in healthcare, detect fraud in financial, and recommend product in e-commerce. This application makes our life easier and more secure. Career and skills. Data science offers executing careers such as data analytics and data science. To success, you need to learn Python, SQL, machine learning, and data visualization. The high demand of these skills across industries. Thank you.